So today I'm going to tell you why I use GlyNAC. Now, GlyNAC is a combination of glycine and N-acetylcysteine. I take it separately. Um, and the reason I take those two separately is because it's a precursor to glutathione. The glutathione is what we're after. And glutathione is it's it's like a master antioxidant. It works in pretty much every cell in your body. It's a detoxifier, and it's actually a tripeptide. It's um, glycine, cysteine, and glutamic acid. So I take glutamine um, also. So I take those three, but the main emphasis is the glycine, that's the gly part, and I take N-acetylcysteine. This is the brand I use. I'm not affiliated or anything, but I like this brand. And I take also the glycine, um, and that's what I use. It works great for me. And you can get the dosages on there. Again, I'm not a doctor, but I use this because it's a precursor to glutathione. And when I take these amino acids, it allows my body to work with the other amino acids that I take that I'll do another video on, but it allows my body to make glutathione. It's a precursor to it. And it reduces oxidative stress. It can improve cognitive function, and it just detox the liver. It assists the liver in doing its job, and glutathione is amazing. Do a search right here on YouTube or wherever you are on GlyNAC or glutathione, and what glutathione actually does in your body. You'll be amazed. It's really popular with that anti-aging crowd. Now, I also take an injectable form of glutathione. So this is direct, but I'm not ingesting it. And most experts will tell you that if you just take glutathione, your gut's going to destroy it. It's not going to get where it needs to go. So I do an injectable form just with an insulin needle, and I get that at Invigor Medical. I'll leave a link in the description, and with that, you will get $10 off if you want to try glutathione or any of the other different compounds that they make. Comes from a compounding pharmacy, which is really important. So I do both. I do the precursor, and you don't have to take that brand. And like I said, I get the injectable from Invigor Medical. Been doing business with them for many, many years, and I love glutathione. So you can check out all that in the description, and use Vitality One if you're interested in glutathione that you can inject. It's different because it's not going to go through your digestive tract. So I'll leave that all there, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this anti-aging stuff or stuff for kind of older adults like me, I'm over 60. I'm pretty fit. I've been experimenting on myself since I was a teenager, and my body's changed. And I just try to relay the information that I've gained and the knowledge I've gained from my own body and how it's changed and what's worked for me. I always encourage you to go do your own research, talk to your own doctor, and go from there. So I will see you all next time. Like and subscribe if you want more information like this.